Welcome to our rug cleaning masterclass. A common concern I hear from carpet cleaners across the country is how more and more businesses are shifting away from wall-to-wall carpet and turning towards hard surface flooring. But statistically speaking, carpet is still king. And while hard surfaces can be perceived as being a challenge when it comes to selling your professional cleaning services, never underestimate the power of the quality you provide. Additionally, they present another opportunity in the cleaning market that is often overlooked. Area rugs. That's right, residents and businesses alike will spend thousands of dollars on installing a hard surface floor and then immediately go out and spend thousands of dollars of more on area rugs to give it that carpety without the carpet feel. Kind of ironic, don't you think? This is where, as cleaners, our entrepreneurial mind needs to kick into OT and say, oh, I know. Let's add rug cleaning to our list of offerings.
Welcome to our rug cleaning masterclass.
Ange, what are you doing in here?
Helping?
Really? Are you any good at cleaning rugs?
No?
Then why do you call it our rug cleaning masterclass?
Sounds more legit that way.
Like hard surface flooring, area rugs need to be cleaned on a regular basis. And because the cleaning process requires special attention and processes, you can charge more for these activities. Today we're going to cover the steps, tools, solutions, and processes to help you safely and effectively clean the majority of area rugs that'll cross your path. First, let's start with a pre-inspection checklist. What are the customer's expectations? Hopefully, realistic. Repeat business is essential, so I live by the under-promise, over-deliver rule of thumb. I check the soil load, take into consideration the size and depth of the stains, especially those from pets, and I'm really careful to align my customers' expectations before beginning the work. I'll say point blank, I can make this look a lot better, but it's not going to be the brand new rug you bought a couple years back. Although I think you'll feel good knowing it not only looks good, but helps to promote a much cleaner environment for you and your family or business. See, we often focus on the perceived value of clean and forget to include the actual core value of it, which is that it's contributing to a healthier living or workspace. Once I know we're on the same page, I first need to determine what type of fiber I'm dealing with, natural versus synthetic. If possible, it's always best to ask, but sometimes they won't know. Historically, we always recommended a burn test where you'd use a shear to pull a small piece of fiber and light it with a butane lighter. Obviously, natural fibers create ash, whereas synthetic fibers, which are often more intact after burn, give off darker smoke and an orange flame. Be careful though, because sometimes you'll get mixed results, as many rugs are a combination of natural and synthetic fibers. Here's the catch. Unless you're absolutely certain it's 100% synthetic rug, I recommend the least aggressive approach possible. That way you're always safe. Because if you use synthetic cleaning tactics on a natural fiber rug, or even blended synthetic and natural fiber rug, things could get ugly. The majority of the time, I always approach my first clean with a natural approach. A couple other variables to take into consideration: woven versus tufted, dye bleed concerns, what type of flooring are you cleaning on? And what's under the rug is equally important. You can use either a portable or truck mount to clean area rugs. These units will rinse and extract the soils that have been suspended by the pre-spray and agitation steps. Oh, and when cleaning loose area rugs, especially wool, you'll need to control the pressure, flow, and temperature of the cleaning solutions being used. To start, set up your cleaning area. Use a large waterproof tarp to protect the flooring around the edges of the rug. Now, important, if you perform this cleaning correctly, you will not be using enough water to soak through the backing and do any damage to the floor and the rug. If the rug can be moved outside, even better. Area rug cleaning uses the same basic principles as carpet cleaning. Dry soil removal. Pre-vacuum the rug front and back. Use an upright vacuum while the rug is face down to help knock dry soils loose. Soil suspension. Apply a diluted pre-spray solution. We recommend Prochem Upholstery Pre-Spray for synthetic rugs or Prochem Fine Fabric Pre-Spray for wool or natural fiber rugs. Apply the solution to the entire rug and agitate it into the pile using a soft bristle brush, either electrical or mechanical. Soil extraction. Rinse and extract using Prochem All Fiber Rinse. Remember to do additional dry strokes with your wand to remove as much water as possible in the liquid form. It's significantly more efficient to extract liquid than to evaporate it. This is especially important when dealing with cotton fringes. To reduce the chances of browning, try not to overwet any fringes. When cleaning fringes, spend extra time dry vacuuming with your upholstery tool. Grooming. Area rugs with cut pile need to be groomed with a pile brush to remove wand marks. This is especially important when cleaning a natural fiber such as wool. For drying, we recommend high-velocity air movers like the Dry-Ease Velo, Velo Pro, or Stealth. Now, cleaning expensive handmade or imported wool rugs is complicated, to say the least, as you have to consider everything from the dyes to the foundation yarns and the knot styles being used for a particular rug, when I recommend being totally transparent about your level of expertise. And don't sweat it if you feel like it's better to refer them to another specialist.
Hopefully, rug cleaning feels a little more tangible. It truly is a great way to scale your business with a minimum investment. Assuming you already understand how to clean wall-to-wall carpet without getting the rug or underlayment wet, along with the equipment needed to get the job done. Simply add a few chemicals and ancillary items to your arsenal, like a tarp, and you're on your path to rug cleaning mastery.
What a great team effort.
Team effort?
What? I mean, I almost lit my hair on fire. That has to count for something.
Good point. Legend Brands.